In the 1850s, women could not qualify as physicians, surgeons, apothecaries, or midwives, because all of these jobs needed a university degree, and women were not allowed to attend universities. Women were allowed to work as nurses, but this was not seen as a respectable or professional job until the work of Florence Nightingale and others began to change things from the mid-1850s. If women wanted to qualify as doctors, then they had to find a way around the rules. Elizabeth Garrett was the first to do this. After repeatedly being denied entry to medical schools at university, she trained as a nurse at the Middlesex Hospital. While she was there, she went to classes for doctors until complaints from medical students forced her to stop. With her father's financial support, she studied to become a doctor in private with medical professors. To become a qualified doctor, you had to pass exams from one of three medical boards: the College of Surgeons, the College of Physicians, or the College of Apothecaries. The College of Apothecaries was forced to allow Garrett to take their exams after she took them to court. Unlike the others, their rules did not specifically forbid women from taking their exams after private tuition. In 1865, Garrett passed and was issued with a certificate which allowed her to practice as a physician. The college then changed their rules so no more women could do this. Garrett still wanted a full medical degree from a university, so she taught herself French and then obtained her medical degree in Paris in 1870. Garrett was a pioneer, but other women could not become doctors in the same way that she had. Garrett and many other political campaigners put pressure on the government and universities to change the law. In 1874, 6 more women, including Sophia Jex-Blake, proved that they were capable of becoming doctors by completing the medical course at the University of Edinburgh. But they were not allowed to receive their official degree and went to either Dublin or Switzerland to do so. In 1876, Parliament changed the law. Finally, women were able to study at and obtain degrees, including medical degrees from universities in Britain,